Hi everyone, I'm Taruni. I'm coming from Chennai for Mind to Mind.
Mind Your Mind Academy.
Mind Your Mind Academy.
Yeah.
This is a perfect place to rest your soul and perfect place to connect your body and mind in a perfect manner. So, Monisha sir and
Kapil sir.
Kapil sir, they both are very well trainers how to take our mind in a such a way to reach our soul, how to reconnect with our souls in a best way, and there are many teachings are there in this. They taught us many things in this, like chakras, how to enlighten our chakras, how to connect with our chakras, how to balance with the chakras, aura, how to cleanse in our aura, and how to increase the auras, to protect our auras. And then samadhi sadhana. There are many things like, so it's really wonderful, and how to detox ourselves. So it's a perfect place. Please come and have a very nice retreat here. I don't feel like going home back. It's really amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vanisha and Kapil sir. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.